Perfect Shaker Kylo Ren Blender Cup. The Perfect Shaker Performa is a reusable plastic drinking shaking bottle designed for mixing drinks. The bottle is designed to mix protein shakes, supplements, or beverages smoothly. It is lightweight and portable for the gym, work, or travel. It has a twist lock cap and firm snap-on covers. You never have to worry about your pre-workout or protein leaking. Buy one pack of Perfect Shaker Performa Star Wars Kylo Ren only at $5.99. This bottle features a themed Star Wars Kylo Ren design and a built-in mixing insert to prevent clumps. The Perfect Shaker crafts the world's best 100% leak-free shaker bottles and mixing bottles. It saves time when preparing protein, shakes, or supplements. This shaker bottle is easy to clean and maintain, letting you quickly rinse or wash it after use, so you can keep it hygiene. It ensures a consistent and well-blended texture every time. It lets you quickly refresh your drink's texture, so your protein or smoothie stays smooth from first sip to last. In short, a shaker bottle makes daily nutrition easier and helps you stay consistent on your fitness journey. Leave your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.